Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. This is Dr. Farjana. It's a pleasure to connect with you. Today I'm going to share a simple strategy that you can use to make good decisions in your life. Basically, you can ask yourself anytime you have to make a decision, whether it's watching a show versus reading a book, whether it's going out with friends or working out, whatever it is, right? Stop and ask yourself, is this going to make me stronger? If it is, yes, then do it. If it's not, then don't do it. This will help you make better decisions. Many of us struggle with decisions, right? Even daily life decisions, just choosing a meal, right? When you go out to eat, or what you're gonna do on your day off, right? So again, quickly ask yourself, very quickly, is this going to make me stronger? If it is, do it. If it's not, then don't. If it helps you rest, do it. If it doesn't help you rest and heal and get stronger, then don't. Simple as that. Is this going to make me stronger? Yes or no? If it's yes, do it. If it's not, don't do it. All right, guys, sending you love and healing and so much good energy. Dr. Farjana.